Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter failed to sound tweet to send the tweet on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down here and we will go to find this is app and we will click here on Twitter. Then we come here to this is window and we will click here on for stop and we click here on OK. Then we will click here on storage. Then we click here on clear cache and we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.